To submit your teacher's salary subsidy billing documents to the PEAC Regional Secretariat online, click Uploading of TSS Documents in the navigation panel. Schools are required to submit by uploading the following documents: SDI-1 or IMI-1, TSS payroll, official receipt for TSS payments. Click Upload. Choose File and attach the document. The maximum file size should be 2 MB. Click Upload to submit, or click Cancel to dismiss the action. The documents should be in PDF or zip format. The SDI-1 or IMI-1 TSS payrolls and official receipt for TSS payments can be uploaded once only. If the TSS payroll has already been submitted in the previous billing, check the box Submitted in the previous billing and click Confirm. If your school did not participate in the previous school year, check Not Applicable for the TSS payroll and official receipt for TSS payments, then click Confirm.